AMD Ryzen 5 8600G, Ryzen 7 8700G, Zen 4 CPU cores with a powerful Radeon GPU. AMD announced an array of new products at CES 2024 earlier this month, including new CPUs, a GPU, and software. We recently took a look at the Radeon RX 7600 XT, AMD's latest mainstream consumer GPU for PC gamers, but today we're going to shift gears and check out a couple of processors that are part of the new Ryzen 8000G series, more specifically, the Ryzen 7 8700G and Ryzen 5 8600G. The new Ryzen 7 8700G and Ryzen 5 8600G are mainstream APUs designed for AMD's socket AM5, similar to the Ryzen 7000 series for desktops. Although their 8000 series branding suggests these are next-generation processors, the Ryzen 8000G series is actually based on existing technology. They feature Zen 4 processor cores, an RDNA 3-based integrated GPU, and target mainstream market segments, while Ryzen 7000 series desktop processors also feature Zen 4 cores and technically have an integrated GPU. The Radeons incorporated into the Ryzen 8000G series are much more capable and feature as many as 12 CUS compute units. There's lots more to the story though, so let's dig in our broken bar. Here are 4 members of the Ryzen 8000G series, including the aforementioned Ryzen 7 8700G and Ryzen 5 8600G, which sit at the top of the stack, and the Ryzen 5 8500G and Ryzen 3 8300G. AMD Ryzen 7 and Ryzen 5 CPUs will available for DIYers, but the Ryzen 3 is intended for partners and system builders only. Introducing the